But
man,
I gotta get
the fuck up. We here. We about to train. I'm Boss. JustTrain. I'm sorry. I don't know if they curse on your channel.
No, you can curse on the channel. It's fine.
Okay, okay. I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
We about to train.
Yeah.
I'm gonna train your style. You're gonna train my style. We're gonna mix it up a little bit. We're just gonna have fun. We're just gonna just train, just move. You know what I mean? This whole Bradley Martyn thing all coming together.
I'm not ready for this yet.
What do you mean?
Well, because I'm gonna tell him first.
You woke up ready.
I woke up, but I'm gonna
and
tell
the
you
only reason I'm doing this, guys, to be perfectly honest, is Bradley punched me in my face. Let me be honest. You see the birthmark on my face?
You know why though? Because we worked out.
He punched me
a few days ago,
and it's kind of rude.
And my abs are really sore.
So that means you put your hands on me though?
Well, I was really sore.
That's not okay.
I wake up sore every morning.
You're putting your hands on people, bro.
I wake up every morning.
You're too big to be putting your hands on people.
It hurts because he made me do this like static. I don't even want to talk about it. We're gonna train today. 2 different styles of training.
Yep.
He has a way different training style than me, but I still admire it. And when I do it, it still fucks me up. So
and vice versa.
Like we're gonna. So it's gonna be like
collaboration of fitness.
It's gonna be like a war. More like a war.
No war, because we're not gonna battle. Only time we battle is when you punch me.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, that was a. I'm glad we didn't film that. I'm glad we didn't film that.
Rap battle? That would have been bad.
Huh?
Rap battle?
Well, he don't want to see me in a rap battle, bro. That's a whole nother story. He does not want to see me in a rap battle.
No, that's really bad for you, bro.
I mean, look, listen, put a beat on.
All right, put a beat on.
Johnny, put a beat on.
Instrumental.
Put an instrumental on, bro. What you got?
No, give us
bro.
June 27th, instrumental. Let's go.
June 20, put it on.
Yeah,
put it on.
Go to YouTube, pull up June 27th.
You gotta intro Boss the right way. Who is, you know?
Okay, so he just trains like the coolest people, bro.
Like who? Who did you train, bro?
Number one of my favorite people, Kevin Hart.
Kevin Hart.
Number 2, you want to?
No, you go ahead. Listen, it's not about who I train. It's about me and you right now.
That's it.
But I do train Kevin Hart. I'm Kevin Hart's trainer. You probably seen me kicking his ass a few times. But you know, we're all about inspiration and motivation around here, so we want people to move. And Bradley, what's about you today?
Yeah.
You're the sweet little girl that's
I don't want to.
You're the baby girl.
You're the dude's about to lose in this rap battle right now.
Baby girl that's about to lose.
Mom spaghetti, put it on, bro.
Let's go, baby.
That's all you got, dude? Mom spaghetti?
Let's go, come on.
Let's go.
I don't want to hurt his feelings.
You ready?
Yeah, so, okay, hold on a second. We're doing the bench press, but
what?
Okay, I was over there talking to my boy over here because we got the same shirt on. Let's show him real quick. Kevin's got the purple one on anyways. The interesting thing is I came back and I gave these guys, Kevin and Boss, I gave them some time to like powwow, and then now they're like, we were like exchanged
we know each other
different
5
at
years
birth.
ago.
Like
we played ball together.
Yeah.
They played ball together.
Yeah.
Like what kind? Handball? Like
no. Real sports, like sports. Not like real.
Like sports. It was a sporting like event when you were handballing. It was like who can handball better?
No. Like real football.
Not, like so you use your feet?
No. Like real football, Bradley. Like
American football.
So you use your hands?
No, bro. This is a bench press. Come on, man. Stop bullshitting, man. Fuck. Let's do this shit. Are you ready?
Yeah, bro.
What we doing? How many?
Just set to 5.
Let's do one of these ones where you did the girls. Let's see if you can do me like that.
Okay, just
no, stop. Nah.
Just 5. Yes.
See, I'm better than you. See this? I'm better than you.
How? Why?
Look at this.
This is why. He's telling me this is why. All right, let's do that with 3 plates. Yes! Let's go!
So is this supposed to be heavy?
Pretty good, huh?
So is this supposed to be heavy?
No, this is light.
I'm still warming up.
Yeah? One hand.
Huh?
You ready?
Stop fucking around, bro. Actually work out.
Get this work.
I benched yesterday. I PR'd. I hit 1,000 pounds.
What happened?
Huh? I hit 1,000 pounds yesterday. I just went.
You think this is easy?
Nah, this is me warming down.
Oh,
yeah.
Warming
from
down.
Yesterday.
That's new. Yeah, I've never heard that.
Yeah, warmed down from yesterday.
Oh, okay. Let me
my
see.
deload.
So we're doing 5?
Yeah, easy 5. That was like an interesting, like. There you go. He's staring at me as he does this. He was like this. He was like this.
I
think he likes me.
What?
I think he likes me. That's why he was staring at me.
I don't know, bro.
I think he was like staring at me. Cause you know?
What are you talking about?
Is it true?
How many are you doing?
What?
Do more than 5 this time, bro.
All right. Camera.
So yeah.
Easy. Easy. 100.
100?
That was 99.
Yeah. I counted wrong. Counted wrong.
How much you weigh?
400 pounds?
Huh?
400 pounds.
You don't look 400.
You weigh
400?
Looks like you weigh more around like 235, 240. Is that it?
There's a scale.
Is there?
There's a scale. Let's go to the...
You sure?
Boom. Boom. Scale.
Alright, try it.
This is weird. We're all in the bathroom at the same
Not
time.
at all. Go.
Not weird?
I'm gonna step outside.
Hold on.
Come on, Brad.
One of those big ass shoes gonna probably weigh an extra 20 pounds.
You weigh 0 pounds, dog? Alright.
Give it a sec, Kev. 256.
Wow. You're a good boy.
How much you weigh?
Well, your shoes definitely weigh an extra 10 pounds.
Extra, probably 5. 250,
Okay.
We'll call it 251 right now, 252.
I think I am
220.
Call it.
220.
219, 220.
Okay. Told you, 300 pounds.
300, bro, you're 256.
220. So what we doing, baby? Let's go.
Favorite.
Fuck.
Okay, let's go. Okay,
Don't touch it.
let's go.
Easy.
Easy money.
Easy money right there.
I won't say it was easy. It wasn't easy.
I'm not gonna say it was easy, but that shit was
easy.
But it was easy.
How much?
I'm 400 pounds, bro. I'm a big boy, right?
You hide it well.
he looked at me dead face. Hold on.
Let's go, boy.
I hide it well.
It's easy weight for you. Easy money for you. Come on. Oh yeah, this too easy. Too easy. Too easy. Too easy.
This one's for good luck.
Nice.
This one's for my dog, Bam. This one I like.
Wait, you mean one for Hayes? Hayes.
This one's for Hayes.
Hayes.
Other one's faster. Because Hayes is faster. This one's for your dog. I haven't met yet. This one's for Kevin. Because I didn't do it because Kevin can't do it.
Kevin who?
Push.
Oh, this one's for Kevin Hart.
Push.
Oh, let's go!
Damn, that shit was hard.
Damn, that was hard. I didn't think it was gonna be that hard.
Okay, we did bench now. Now,
Well, we're gonna mix it up.
What's the better angle for you to shoot on the bar?
Better angle. Kev does never have good angles.
Well, I don't know if it's the camera. I don't want it to be in the mirror.
oh, we got.
No, it doesn't matter.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah,
we'll figure it out.
All right. Kicks. Lever kicks.
Okay, I'll
and then
just
we're
do
gonna do twists.
I can do this.
Obliques.
Just like this?
No, just like this.
I got
See what we got. Let's go. Let's go. Quarter, bro.
That's easy for you.
All right, bro.
That's easy.
Let's go.
Come on, bro.
Brad, stop being a bitch.
I did a little bit.
Let's go.
Come on.
Good.
Let's go, man.
Oh, shit.
It's easy work.
Come on.
And I'm gonna add some other shit to it.
Let's go. Go.
You ready?
Go.
10.
Stop, bro. You do your feet, man. Let's go.
Ah, shit.
Let's go.
Did you put oil on the bar? You made it harder for me.
Go on the bar. Move it. Come on.
I feel like I'm Kevin.
Let's go.
Knees in. That's not bicycling. We
Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Kev, you know I don't do this, bro.
Let's go. You gotta try. Come on, you gotta try.
Bring your body up more.
Yeah, there you go.
In and out, kick in and out.
Nope, it's not even happening right now. It's not even.
Let's do this. Let's go ahead.
Just try.
Well, look. Listen, my phone weighs like 100 pounds. That's the problem.
Let's go. That's what it was.
Maybe it's the shoes.
Yeah. Maybe it is those shoes.
I mean, shoes weigh like 50.
Definitely need some Kevin Hart shoes.
I do.
Yeah.
Why do I not have any? They're supposed to send them to me.
I know. We're gonna get them.
I need them. I need them. You have gray, right? Yeah, I need the gray and red.
Hustle Mark 2s. Go, boy. Come on. Like this. Yep. 1, 2.
There you go.
3.
Come on, Brad.
4.
Let's go.
6.
Let's go.
7, 8. Stay up there. 9, 10. Now kick. 10. 1.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, I only got 4. It's so damn hard. That's a ninja move.
Let's go.
That's not a ninja move.
It's still my circuit, right? This still my circuit, right?
Circuit? What?
So
it's
now,
like Circuit City?
No, let's just do some push-ups.
Closed Circuit City.
Let's do some push-ups.
Push-ups.
It's closed.
Come on.
So,
all right, come on.
Why is he hitting himself?
I don't know.
He's hitting himself. Won't that hurt?
Just do it, Brad. You can do this one. Come on.
it's easy. All that damn press you just did.
Come on.
Okay, what'd you do? What'd you do?
Good. Tap, just tap, clap.
So,
Let's go.
show me.
So here, yeah.
Come on. Come on. Let's go.
what if I hurt myself?
You're not gonna hurt
Big
yourself.
boy. All that damn weight you lifted. Yep. Clap. Tap. There you go.
There you
12
go.
of them. Come on.
Let's go. Finally, bro.
Come on.
Actually working out for once.
Come on. Good job, big guy.
Okay.
How that feel?
That was too easy, bro. I gotta do harder stuff than that.
All right, I got you.
No. Not really that hard.
He just meant to say it like that so you can
Yeah.
cool, you know?
Just cut it so I still sound cool.
No, we don't cut this straight through.
I know, we do something. Wait,
We don't cut the video straight through.
No, all the videos are straight through.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, we just put like, it's a trick.
What do you mean?
We don't have any tricks. Shit. What world? That's so easy, dude. It's so easy.
So easy you can't even do it, huh?
Yeah, it's so easy I don't do it.
That's a Dom line. Go. Go, Brad. Come on.
My arms are still sore.
You need to move, bro. Stop being a damn bodybuilder all the time. Let's go. Come on.
If you wore bigger pants, you will be better. Look at his pants. Is that what we came to do today? Or we came to train? Is it a quad show?
It's a quad show.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, why are you cheating me, bro?
What cheating? Who's cheating?
Here, then twist.
Oh, I thought it was backwards.
Come on, bro.
Okay.
And then you go back to that one. Now twist. No. Simultaneously.
What? He said
Back
twist.
to back, brother.
Oh, okay. 100.
All right, good.
You didn't even finish.
I did 100.
That wasn't done.
In my world, every one counts as 7.
Like a dog?
It's a dog years.
But you only did 10. So that would only be 70. If every one...
When you say 10,
No. You said you did 10. So every one counts as 7. So what's
70.
10 times 7? Let's do a
oh,
math.
I need 3 more. All right.
That's like 120.
Yeah.
I'm good at math.
Yeah. It's good.
Like
It's
you
good.
are.
I had my only 45s, bro. Who does fucking sets at 7? Who does that anymore?
Push-ups. What's your favorite push-up? Some plyos. And that must be a hell of a case.
That's a great case. Oh, this is good.
Come on, bro.
Put your hand on my
wait.
shoulder. This one.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Watch.
Like this?
Yep, let's go.
One arm. Let's go. One arm.
This is my bad arm.
Let's go, man. Shit. Go.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
That shit is difficult. That's fun. I never
Guess
done
what?
that.
We gotta do the other side.
Ah, damn.
Yeah, you gotta do your. Come on, bro, both sides. Can't just be buffing one arm.
This is my really bad side. Okay.
Next. Come on, bro. Let's go. Go. 2, 3. Come on. 2 more. Let's go. Let's go. Go.
Kev, you haven't done any. Don't try and tell us to do more.
3 more.
Where's your partner?
I already did it.
Where's your partner, bro?
He went home.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought, Kev.
Bro, he's tired.
Damn, this is good.
Yeah.
This is really good.
All right, now weight exercise. Go. Wait.
All right, hold on. Oh, wait. That's a wait. I'm gonna wait.
No,
we're gonna wait.
You're not dumb. You don't got lines like that. Come on.
I just got a line. What you mean? I just got it.
Let's go.
No, I want to wait.
No.
Hey. Fucking go.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
What?
Let's go work out.
I wish we got all this on camera. All this other real shit.
No, just like, let's go. We'll talk about everybody later.
Yeah.
He was like, I was like, yo, I want to tell you this story. He was like,
nah,
shut
bro.
the fuck up and train right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
It's your move.
It's my move.
Yeah.
We're doing rows.
What is wrong with you?
No, what are you talking about? We're doing rows. I knew that. I was testing
Rows?
you.
You was testing me.
I was testing you.
Okay.
Roast for
200 pound rows.
Roast for the what?
For the bros.
All right, let's do
What
it.
you mean?
Come on, do it.
200 pounds.
How many you gotta do?
200?
I'm using it as leverage. I'm using it as leverage.
Huh?
The 200 pound is leverage. See this other hand? I'm leveraging myself. Here, come on.
How many?
You telling me that's all you lifting? You going 6?
Yeah, and I'm warming up.
Okay. 85, right?
85.
Okay.
See that farmer's tan though?
Farmer's tan for life. Until I get tan, then it's gone. But
Then he goes straight to that.
So what you use?
You ain't get a warm
You
up?
did 85s?
Oh yeah? But I rolled my ankle earlier.
Shut up, Brad.
Yeah, I rolled my wrist too.
Brad got
My wrist
excuse.
is rolled.
I don't got time for all that shit.
Bro, I rolled my wrist. What you want from me? Because he's extra as hell doesn't mean I gotta hurt myself. Come on, guys. Get my back.
Is it extra or is it light?
Is it what?
Didn't look like I was struggling.
I wasn't sure. Hold on a second. Listen.
Okay. But really hold the weight. Don't let it drop. You cheated. So when you grab the weight, move.
I don't cheat, bro.
Excuse me, bro. So when you grab the 150,
Yeah.
you gotta go. See, it's not like this. Lazy. I can't even do that. Break my wrist.
See, what he said was he can't even do that.
It's enough for me.
See? He can't even do that.
You weigh 270.
It's true, I am heavy. It doesn't mean my hand weighs 270.
Yeah, you need to work on your grip strength.
True, that is true though. I'm working on it. I still did more reps.
Come on,
I
bro.
can do 5. You're never gonna challenge me and I fail.
I'll get
These weights don't break the zoo culture.
Bro, don't look at them. These rates don't even crack. Don't even crack. On the side. This is my strong side.
You put on deodorant this morning?
Nope.
Yeah, you stink.
Forgot
bro.
that.
You stink.
Sorry.
Probably do that.
The thing though,
Don't get too close to him. He smells.
the thing that I've learned is that on camera, they can't smell it. Only you smell it, okay? Yeah, like
You just learned that. How many videos have you done?
like 700.
And you just learned that the people can't smell you.
He's a little slow, you know, on certain things.
It's only if you put a mic, they can get the audio. And the video. At the same,
Fuck this train, man.
at the
Come
same
on.
time.
I'm
You
done.
can get all at the same time.
I'm done talking.
Video and here.
I'm done talking.
Okay, let's do this.
So in my set, I just went to
Yeah, you're set.
What are you doing now?
I'm resting.
Oh.
stick to my 120s. You see, when you challenge me to something, I do it with no problem. But when you did the abs, you was running. See, every time you told me to do something,
I don't run, bro.
you definitely tried to leave.
I don't run. I walked out. I wasn't running. Cardio. It's a lot of cardio, bro.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna take a second right now.
What second? What second do you need?
Second. Hold on a second, I gotta deal with this.
Dude.
What?
He said he's doing one because he's going to
Yeah, I showed him this one. Go ahead.
What?
This has nothing to do with your workout.
I showed him this one. Go ahead, bro.
This has nothing to.
Why
I've
you
never
talking
seen
so much. Train. That's what I'm saying. Yep.
2. Let's go. Okay.
Oh, okay. That's what I see. That's what I was talking. That's what I was saying to do. That's what I was saying the whole time.
Shut up, bro.
Yeah, and do one more like that. Yeah. You forgot the push-up.
I did my push-up.
Oh, here though. Yeah,
I'm never scared of work.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Now you forgot the air squats too. You're supposed to do squats.
What?
Yeah,
Shut up,
squats.
bro.
Okay.
Fuck no. I'm done.
So two claps?
Yeah.
So how many?
Yeah.
2 claps.
Let's go.
Come on.
Cool.
BM
Come
squad.
on. Come on. Go.
Go!
Let's go.
Bradley getting athletic again.
Come on. 2. Come on. Let's go. Good shit. Good work.
Woo!
How you feel? Great. Good shit.
Great.
What?
That was not.
Huh?
That was a breeze.
Yeah?
That was not hard at all.
What do you mean it wasn't hard?
It wasn't hard. Yeah. Huh?
What are you doing?
What you mean, bro?
What are you doing? We're not finished.
What you?
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
What are you saying?
No. Workout.
What are you talking about, bro?
Where you going? Yo, where'd he go?
Yo, what the fuck, boy? Yo! Bro! Where'd he go?
He went right there.
He literally just running around the corner.
Run!
Yo! Let's go, we gotta finish.
I rolled my ankle.
Because you ran away, not because of the workout.
I rolled my ankle.
Doing what?
Hey, it's okay.
Doing what?
It's okay.
Yo, come on, bro. Let's go. Fuck it, I'm about to finish my workout.
Yo,
Still
Brad.
doing abs. Bro, what are you doing?
Why you doing that?
We're still doing abs.
We're done. I ran around the corner. The video's done.
Bro, it's not finished.
Video's finished.
I told you we were still working out. Let's go.
Oh, man, I gotta take a shit.
Hey, bro, are you leaving again? You leaving again?
Tomorrow.
Yo, he's playing.
Hey, I never met somebody that ran from a workout.
Yo.
Yo, is he gone?
No, he's not gone.
Fuck. Listen.
What?
Don't move. He won't see you. Look, don't move. It's like a T-Rex. See the short arms and everything? It's like a T-Rex. But if you don't move, he won't see you. See? I tell you, look. See this? Come on. Get a little closer. Wait.
Hey,
See, you don't move, he won't see you.
let's go. Let's go, bro. Bro.
Maybe.
Bro. Vest. Yo,
Stop
You
bullshitting.
can't see me, bro.
Yo, add the vest.
You can't see me though.
We're doing weighted sprints.
No, okay.
We're doing weighted sprints.
I'm already weighted.
No. Add it.
I'm already weighted.
No. I understand you weigh a lot, but we adding this onto your body to help out. Okay? So you put this on. I'm not gonna put it on because it
Why
stinks.
does it look like? Oh shit! Kev, you farted in that. Why'd you fart in that, Kev?
I didn't do that.
Damn, bro.
Hey, all the people at Zoo Culture. Hey, everything else here is dope. Don't wear this. This shit
one
stinks.
Does it really?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, damn. Okay. One more thing. Okay, so before we close this video off,
I need to hold something in my hand and make me look as strong as you.
it's all good.
No. I need to hold something in my hand and make
well,
me
hold
look as strong
Kevin.
as
He's
you.
really light, so you can just hold.
No. That's a grown ass man. I'm gonna hold this.
Okay,
I think I look cooler like this.
What are we doing next? What's the next video? Because
The next video is me, you, and Kevin Hart.
What are we doing?
We're gonna do Kevin Hart's workout.
Oh, let's go!
Yeah.
So if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys are subscribed. Check his channel out. I'm gonna put a
JustTrain
link below.
TV. Yep.
Give the video a thumbs up. Comment what you want to see us do. I know Kev has his own workout. You obviously give him a lot of his workouts.
Yeah.
But if you guys want to see anything specific, us do, then just comment below.
Yeah,
let us know.
Hey, look, man, it's all about inspiration and motivation. No matter where you are, what you do, just get up and commit yourself to movement every day.
All day.
You know, Bradley just services you as motivation. I service you as motivation. You don't want to, if you can't look like him, if you desire to, put in the work.
That's all it is, time. It's everyone the same thing. Time, dedication, go towards something, doesn't matter what it is. Like he talked earlier, it's super important. No matter where you're at, just move, just keep going.
Yeah, consistency and accountability for yourself. See, a lot of people miss that, right? Because they're looking for accountability in everybody else. But be accountable for self.
And I could even say, I'm not even perfect. Obviously you guys know that. I know I'm not perfect.
Me either.
Because like when I started training with him again, there's so many times, like we joke, we have fun and stuff today, but legit, when I was training with you and Kev the other day, there was moments where I was like, I'm chilling. But I was not supposed to be chilling. Like that was my set, that was my time. And I find myself, even me, like you guys, if you look at me, whatever, like even me, I'm like, shit, let me take an extra minute, and I don't need to take that extra minute. So having people that can be your friends, that can push you in a way that's helpful, is gonna keep you going, keep you moving, keep you getting better. So
and I think it's important. I think as long as it's consistency, right, and accountability, I love it, right? Because it's what you do consistently that makes you great, not what you do one time.
Absolutely.
So if you consistently come to the gym every day, you'll have compound interest effect of you having a better body, better mindset. And so if you want to look like Bradley, if you want to look like Kevin Hart,
whatever,
it's consistency. But then that accountability for self is important because you have to wake up every day and be accountable. You can use Bradley, you can use me as motivation, Kevin Hart, Dwayne or The Rock Johnson as motivation, and that's great. But it all starts in your heart.
You still got to put that work in. And that's the thing too. I think so many people want it right now. Like they put in work for a week and they're like, why don't I have that body right now? Why don't I have that strength right now? You guys got to understand that I'm not here from yesterday. I'm here from the last 10, 12 years of my life. So, and it wasn't easy, and I wasn't always the best at certain things. I'm not the best at certain things now, but it's all about, as long as you keep trying to move forward and get better, then you're gonna win. You're gonna be the best version of yourself. And that's all we can really hope for and pray for and work for, so.
And I mean, since the day I met you, you've been a great guy, motivational, and it's been great, man. And I think you're a fucking great example for movement and letting people know that you can achieve your dreams, and you can get up every day and you can work your ass off, and whatever that dream is, you can achieve that shit. Because it's really simple. Everybody wants to complicate what's simple, right?
Absolutely.
Everybody wants to complicate what's simple.
Yeah, they think it's some like magic thing.
It's not magic. It's work ethic. If you're willing to put in the work and you're willing to be consistent with your thoughts, your ideas, your perspectives of what you want to go, then your reality shapes from there.
That's it. All love, bro. Thank you for coming.
No, thank you,
I
bro.
appreciate the work.
No, this is, no, same. But next time, don't fucking skip out on my workout. That was all good motivational, but at the same time, at the same time, like, yo. At the same time,
wait, hold on.
Hey. No more running from workouts, bro. And go get this.
It's like really.
Hey,
you know when your ear gets stuck?
Go put this in a washing machine.
I need to find Q-tips. I need to find Q-tips. I need to find Q-tips. I can't. What is he saying?